The Las Vegas Strip in Nevada. The Las Vegas Strip is a vibrant and iconic street in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, known for its glitz, glamour, and world-class entertainment. It is home to many of the city's largest hotels, casinos, and resorts, as well as numerous shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Visitors to the Las Vegas Strip can experience some of the world's most famous casinos, including the Bellagio, the Venetian, the MGM Grand, and the Wynn. These casinos offer a wide range of gaming options, including slot machines, table games, and sports betting. The Strip is also known for its luxurious hotels and resorts, many of which offer amenities such as spas, pools, and fine dining. In addition to the casinos and hotels, the Las Vegas Strip is home to many popular attractions, including the Fountains of Bellagio, the High Roller Observation Wheel, and the Mirage Volcano. There are also many world-class shows and performances, ranging from comedy and magic to concerts and Cirque du Soleil productions. Overall, the Las Vegas Strip is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the excitement and energy of Las Vegas. It offers something for everyone, from gambling and nightlife to family-friendly attractions and entertainment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.